everyone, welcome back to the Salesforce Apex course. In previous video we saw about lists and list methods, okay, and we understood how we can store the multiple values in a single variable. So now in today's video we are going to learn about very important another collection type, which is sets, right? So now let's start with what is sets. Okay, so sets is a unordered collection, right? In previous video we saw lists, and what we studied about list is a ordered collection and it allows the duplicate values, right? So but in set is a unordered collection. Like when we store any value in the set, it does not store in a ordered collection, right? Like we have created a set, and we have we are storing the city's name. Okay, so now like first we have added Delhi, second we added Mumbai, right? So the order is not maintained. Like you can like when we print the set, right? So you can see like Mumbai at first position or Delhi at second position, right? So the order is not maintained. Okay, and another thing we saw in list is list stores the duplicate values, right? So in sets, duplicate value is not allowed. Duplicate values not allowed, right? If we are storing any value two times, then it will show only one time, right? So let's see in the code. Okay, so let's first see how we can create a sets in Apex, right? So for creating set we use the set keyword. Okay, and under this symbol we define the data type, like we want to store the integer data type values or the string type values, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm creating a set for the storing the city's name. Okay, so for storing the city's name, it is a text value, so we will use a string data type, right? And I will name this set as a cities. Okay, equal to, then we assignment operator, then we will use a new keyword, and then again we'll write set of string, right, and parenthesis semicolon. So this line new set of string and parenthesis, it will create a new empty set. Okay, the set is empty right now, we it does not have any value. So in list we add the element in the list by using the add method, right? So in set also we use the add method to like add the values in the set. Okay, so let's add some cities in this set, right? Cities dot add, and under parenthesis we'll write Mumbai. Okay, now let's copy this, and now in we are adding Delhi. Okay, so now we are adding one more, let's say Bangalore. Okay, okay, now you can see the first element I have added Mumbai. Okay, second is Delhi, and third is Bangalore. Okay, so now let's see what is the order we get when we print in a logs. Okay, so to print we use system.debug. Okay, and then our set name is cities. Okay, so now let's execute this, right? Okay, so debug only. Okay, here you can see let me open the anonymous window also. Okay, right, here you can see the set which is printed has first element is Bangalore, second one is Delhi, and third one is Mumbai. But we added Mumbai at first position, right? So in set order is not maintained, right? And also you can see it like sorts the value in the ASCII value. What I mean by ASCII value, right? Which means is alphabetically. Here you can see B comes first, then D comes second, then M comes at last, right? So alphabetically it sorts the elements. Okay, so the first thing is in sets order is not maintained. Okay, it is an unordered collection. And second one is it does not allows the duplicate values. Okay, so now let's say I am adding Mumbai again, right? So in list it will show the four elements. Okay, it will show the Mumbai twice when we use the lists, right? So now let's say execute this and let's see. Okay, debug only, and now you can see we have the same three elements like Bangalore, Delhi, and Mumbai, but we have added the Mumbai twice, right? So it automatically remove the duplicate value. Okay, so in sets and lists, that there is two main difference that we have studied now, which is in sets the order is not maintained, right? And in list order is maintained, while in list we can store the duplicate values, while in sets we cannot store the duplicate values. Okay, so now the next important thing is how we can access the values in the from the sets, right? So before that, let me create one list, right, so that the concept become crystal clear to you. Okay, so now I'm again creating the same like cities, like, okay, so let's name it as a cities list. Okay, and let's change this all. Okay, and we have to change this also. Okay, so we are use the list keyword for creating the list. Okay, so now I have created a list, okay, of the cities. So now let's execute this. Okay, so here you can see first one is list. Okay, it removed the duplicate value, like we stored Mumbai twice, it is showing once, one time, like, okay, and this one is a list. Okay, here you can see Mumbai is visible twice. Okay, so the list uh, allows the duplicate value. Okay, and you can also see order of the items, like in list we added Mumbai, Delhi, Bangalore and Mumbai, and you can also see here it is in the same order: Mumbai, Delhi, Bangalore and Mumbai. Okay, but in set it is the order is different. Okay, Bangalore at the first position, Delhi at the second position, so the position is not fixed. Okay, in list position is fixed, but in sets position is not fixed, right? So now let's see how we can access the values, right? So in list what we do, we access through the index number. Okay, so Mumbai at index number 0, Delhi at index number 2 1. Okay, index starts from 0. Okay, and Bangalore is index number 0 1 2 3, and Mumbai is index number 4. So let's on so on. Okay, so now in list sorry, sets, the order is not like fixed. Okay, so we cannot access the list items with the index number, right? Because the order is not the same, right? So now you will like think how we can access the values in the of the sets, right? So the answer is using the loops. Okay, so loops we will see in another like later on videos. Okay, so right now I will not I will not tell how we can access, okay, through loops. So for now, like you can understand, we cannot access the values of sets like the index number from the index number. Okay, because what is the reason? Because order is not fixed in the sets, right? But we have a like method called contains. We already seen this method in the list video also. Okay, we have the contains method through which we can like find out if the particular item is in the set or not. Okay, so how we use it? We use it as a like uh, we write the set name. Okay, cities dot contains. Okay, and in parentheses we write the element. Okay, like let's say Delhi. Okay, I want to check if Delhi is in my set or not. Okay, so this will this will gives the boolean result like true or false. If the Delhi is in the set, it will result as true, or if the Delhi is not in the set, then it will give us a value as false, right? So through contains we like we can check if the particular item is in the set or not, right? We have seen list methods in the previous video. Okay, you can use those list methods in sets also, like we can like use the size method, right, to find out how many items are in the lists, right? We can use the remove, right, to remove the element from the list. Okay, okay, okay. And if you want to like study more methods, then you can always refer to the Salesforce developer documentation. Okay, just write sets methods. Okay, Salesforce. Okay, so you will like open this documentation, open this link. Okay, here you will see this set class, and you can see like how we can create a set, how we can add items in the set, right? Then you can see the all the methods of the sets. Okay, like clone, contains, right? And you can also see the how we can use it, right? So go through these methods. I have already like taught you this in the previous video, in the list video. Okay, so you can like practice it by your own. Okay, and if you have any doubt, then you can also write in a comment section. Okay, I will be happy to solve your queries. Okay, so that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. And thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.